If you are considering a legal career, I would say that you must do your homework. If you look at various firms' websites, I'm talking here about solicitors' firms, they all look much of muchness. Most of them are pretty international, most of them are full service. But how do you really tell the difference between law firms? And really, the only way you can do that is by talking to people at those firms, going on an open day, or even better, going on a vacation scheme. If you go on a vacation scheme, you'll be spending 2 or 3 weeks at that firm, and you really will form a good view into the culture of that firm. Law firms may look the same, they may feel the same, they may do broadly the same kind of work, but there are definitely differences in culture. If you're looking for a training contract at a solicitor's firm, you really have to do a vacation scheme with that firm. I don't know what the statistics are, but my guess would be that most of the people who are offered a training contract with a firm have done a vacation scheme with that firm. And a vacation scheme is a two-way process. It's a way for you to get to know that firm better. Is this a firm that you could see yourself working at? Is it a firm that you can see yourself being happy at and thriving at? And it's also a way for the firm to see you. Will you fit in? Are you the kind of person they think could be successful at that firm? In terms of the application form, make sure you check it properly, because quite often we see application forms littered with typos, and what we think is this candidate has not put much effort into this. They're a bit sloppy, they don't have much attention to detail, and immediately we're thinking this is probably going to be a rejection. Also, do your homework on that firm. Don't say, for example, I want to apply to this firm because it's a small firm and I prefer a small firm atmosphere, when it's a really large firm. We know that you've just cut and paste and you've used some text from another application form which is not appropriate to ours. Don't put too much down, but just give us a feel for you. Give us a feel for your interests. Give us a feel for why you want to apply for law. There's no particular right or wrong answer, but we just want to think that you've put some thought into it and taken some time over it. In terms of the interview, I would say be yourself. Don't think that we're looking for a certain type of candidate and therefore there's a certain role that you need to play. Just be yourself. That's what you want to see, what makes you tick, how you think. And one of the key things that I think about when I'm interviewing somebody is, could I envisage sharing an office with this person? Is this somebody who I think I'm going to get on with? And the other thing I often think about is this somebody who I'd be confident introducing to a client? Would this person be credible? Would they come across well in front of a client? So we want to see people who are enthusiastic. They seem genuinely interested in the firm. They seem generally committed to a career in law. I think it is a very satisfying career. I think it opens many doors to you. I think there are very few careers in which every day you do not know what to expect and you're learning new things and you're constantly on your toes and you do feel as though you are helping people out, and that's something which I get out of it. That's probably the part of the job I enjoy the most, is getting to know clients well, being part of their team and actually helping them achieve whatever it is they're looking to achieve.